Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel or how to get started or what kind of content you want to show to the audience. So, first of all, we have to decide what type of content you want to show to the audience. Okay, so what's your hobby? What you like to do in your day-to-day life? Just do recording of that and upload to the YouTube. If you just download the content from the other videos and upload to the your channel, then it will not get monetized. So your YouTube has strict policies like if you want your channel to get monetized, then you have to create your own content and you have to upload the same to your channel. You can't copy or just download it from other videos and upload it to the YouTube. So I thought like let me share a few insights how to get started with YouTube and how you can create a channel. I will show you a demo in that also. So guys, if you are if you want to do something in the blogging side, or if you are having a hobby of cooking or anything else, anything you're drawing, craft, whatever you want to do in life, just make a video of it and upload to the YouTube. You have to just take care of few things. Your video should be unique. You have to make your content in such a way that it reaches to the higher audience. People will like it so that you will get more views and subscribe. Yeah, one more thing, if you want to earn money from your YouTube channels, make you have to earn a 4,000 hours of view time and 1,000 subscriber in 12 months. It's not like you suppose you started channel one today and after 1 year if you're not able to complete it, it will get dissolved. It's not like that. It once you completed your 1,000 subscriber, from that day it will take the past 365 days. Okay, so suppose you have completed your subscriber in 400 days, so it will take from the last day till 365 days. So suppose like from 35 days to 400 days, it will count as 1 year. In that duration, if it is 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hours of watch time, yes, then you are eligible for monetize. So there are many ways in which you can enhance your YouTube videos, which I will show you in my next videos. But in this video I will tell you how to get started with a YouTube channel. I will show you a demo. I will create a channel in front of you and what are the things you need to take care to start your channel so that it gets displayed in the public. Public means when you type search, let's suppose ABC. So when you search ABC, your channel will come in that. So few things which you have to take care of that. So guys, let's get started. Now in this video we'll see how to create a YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having your Gmail account. If you don't have, you just have to create your one Gmail account. Then you have to log in. You have to go to your youtube.com and you have to click on sign in here. Once you sign in here, you have to select through which account you want to start a YouTube channel. If you do, or if it is not listed here, you can just use another account and click and you can share your details here. But I am already logged into that. I just clicked on sign it. I just typed my password. Now after this I will be able to log into the YouTube. So now I'm able to view YouTube with my own account. Here you can see YouTube. I am logged in with this account, so I will create my channel with this email ID, Nitin blah 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 okay. So you have to click on this your channel. If you click here, it will take you to this part. Then you have to come down. You have to come down, click on settings here on the left side. You just click on edit on Google. Okay, so it will take you to the channel name, which channel name you want to give in that. So my channel name is Nitin Garg right now, but I will suggest you to keep the channel name which is unique and it's not related to any of the channel. If you give a channel name similar to the popular channels, then the probability of highlighting a channel is very less. So just you have to give your channel name here. Then it will say automatically. Now we can go back here. So my channel name is Nitin Garg already. One second. Yeah, so I am part of it here. Okay, so let's click on that. let me change the name of the channel. Okay, 1 second. Nitin Garg demo I will give. Okay, so this is a channel name which I am giving. Click on save. So this is my channel name. Now I can go back to here. See, you can see my channel name has changed. My name has changed to Nitin Garg demo. Okay, now I will click on this. We can go back to the YouTube now. If I click here, click on channel, I can see my channel name is Nitin Garg demo. Okay, there are few settings which needs to be done. Along with that, click on settings, click on advanced settings. Okay, so there are if you want to delete your channel also, there is an option in the advanced setting. You can delete your channel, but that's too early to show that. Okay, let's go back to this page. I will go back to my your channel. If you click here, go to settings in this page, which will take to the same page. We'll click on this channel status and features. So one thing is that you have to verify your channel to get highlighted. If you click here verify, it will ask your country name, how you want to get it verified, through calls or through text. So you have to type your phone number and you have to get it verified. As my channel is already verified, I don't have to do anything right now. Okay, once this is done, click on view advanced. Okay, now you have, once your channel is set up, you have to go back to the your this icon. Click on YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is just to manage your YouTube channel. From here you can see everything, whatever you uploaded videos, what is the channel details. Okay, in this page you have to go to your settings, you have to go to your channel, you have to add just the keywords whichever you want to highlight it. If you like, suppose my name is Nitin Garg demo, so I will type Nitin Garg demo. These are the keywords which will highlight. Okay, I can set the current country. The keyword is important because this will help you to highlight the channel in the search bar, because I see many times people say, yeah, my channel is not coming in the search bar. So you have to give the keywords Nitin Garg demo, Nitin Garg demo, like this you can give, so that your channel will get highlighted. Well, and you can select your country. Okay, and there are few settings. It's about currency, US dollars. What you can select your own country currency. Because why it is important, because once your channel gets monetized, it will show all the dashboard in the your country's currency format. Suppose, so it will say like how much dollars, how much rupees you have earned till now. So I told you about, right, monetization part. These are details. You have to get 100,000 subscriber and 400 watch times within 12 months to get it monetized. This is a main thing. So you have to create your content in such a way that this is a YouTube, this is videos part, this is playlist. If you are creating anything, this is analytics. It will show the analytics of all the videos. It will keep on updating in real time. So that's all the basic stuff which I have. If you guys want, I have my channel running, so you can follow that with the name of Cricket Prodigy. And let me show that, which I started recently. So this is my channel. I will encourage you to please subscribe to it and watch all the videos. So let me show that to you. So that's my channel. Okay, so that's my analytics right now. It shows all the details. So how much watch time, how many people have watched, how many videos I have added. So guys, please go and subscribe this to channel. Thank you guys. See you in next video. I will give you details about all how to edit the videos, how to edit the thumbnails. I will share all the details with you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.